Well, I think it went great. I think everyone enjoyed the theme, but more than that, it was actually interesting to see how people connected the technology with their own jobs. So at the end of the day, or I think at the end of the session, I think we were really sure that we weren't really talking about technology. We were talking about change and how people actually took advantage of the technology and made an effort to actually change the way that they do things. So for all intents and purposes, I really enjoyed it. I do feel that all of the people that left also enjoyed it, but at the same time we had some discussions that also left some worries in our heads. So I hope that next year we have the answers to these questions that we're taking home today.